Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. Can AI create new scents? Discover how Osmo is revolutionizing fragrance with AI, from sustainable perfumes to mosquito repellents. Watch now to explore the future of smell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let's get started.
Imagine a world where artificial intelligence creates new scents, replacing hard-to-source ingredients and introducing fragrances we've never smelled before. Sounds like sci-fi? Meet Osmo, a new company using AI to revolutionize the way we think about scent. Osmo, a Google research spin-out, is developing software that predicts the scent of molecules based solely on their structure. Think of it as digital scent mapping, an AI analyzing each molecule's unique shape to forecast its smell. From perfumes to mosquito repellents, Osmo's mission is to create sustainable, eco-friendly scents that could transform industries. The fragrance industry, valued at a staggering $30 billion, is a complex and dynamic sector that relies heavily on natural ingredients, such as roses, sandalwood, and musk. These elements are not just the backbone of the industry, but also the essence of the scents we cherish. However, the industry faces significant challenges. Many of these natural resources are becoming increasingly rare or embroiled in controversy. Climate change is a formidable adversary, causing unpredictable weather patterns that shrink flower supplies and threaten the delicate balance of ecosystems. Sandalwood, a key ingredient, is now endangered due to overharvesting and habitat loss. Furthermore, the use of animal-sourced scents, such as musk, raises ethical concerns, sparking debates about sustainability and animal welfare. In response to these pressing issues, Osmo's AI technology emerges as a beacon of hope, offering innovative solutions to create sustainable alternatives. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, we can develop synthetic scents that replicate the allure of natural fragrances without the need to continuously harvest these precious plants and animals. This not only preserves biodiversity, but also ensures the fragrance industry can thrive responsibly for generations to come. So, how does it work? The process of predicting scents using artificial intelligence is both fascinating and intricate. It involves a blend of chemistry, data science, and machine learning, all working together to decode the mysteries of smell. Osmo's AI uses a vast dataset of molecules to train its algorithms. This dataset is like a library of scents, each molecule a book with its own story to tell. The AI reads these stories, learning the language of scent. It starts with 5,000 well-known scent molecules, each carefully cataloged and studied. These molecules are the building blocks of fragrance, the notes in a symphony of smell. Analyzing each structure and its corresponding scent, fruity, woody, floral, the AI begins to understand the subtle nuances that differentiate one scent from another. It's like a sommelier discerning the flavors in a fine wine. Then, it predicts scents for new, untested molecules. This is where the magic happens, as the AI ventures into uncharted territory, using its learned knowledge to hypothesize the scent of a molecule it has never encountered before. It's a complex science. Even tiny changes in a molecule can alter it from floral to foul, demonstrating the delicate balance of molecular structure and scent. A single atom can make all the difference. But Osmo's AI is getting remarkably good at it. With each prediction, it refines its understanding, becoming more adept at navigating the intricate world of scent. It's a testament to the power of AI and human ingenuity working in harmony. And while there are still challenges to overcome, the journey of scent prediction is filled with moments of discovery and delight. Osmo's AI continues to push the boundaries, turning the art of scent into a precise science. From creating ocean-inspired scents to replicating spicy aromas, Osmo's AI-driven scents have endless possibilities. Fragrance companies can license these scents for perfumes, shampoos, and more. Some scents, like their chili pepper fragrance, could even add bold new flavors to foods or be used in innovative ways beyond traditional perfumes. But it doesn't stop with perfumes. Osmo's AI also holds promise for public health. Mosquitoes, which carry diseases like malaria and dengue, are attracted to human scents. Current repellents like DEET work but have limitations. Osmo's AI has scanned over 19,000 compounds to find safer, biodegradable alternatives that work as well, or better, than DEET. Osmo's team has even bigger plans. They are not just content with the current advancements in scent technology, their vision extends far beyond what we can currently imagine. They envision a world where scent can be digitized, captured, and shared, much like how we share photos or music today. This revolutionary idea could transform how we experience the world around us. Imagine the way Shazam identifies music with just a few notes. Now picture an app that can do the same for smells. It could identify a scent, save it for later use, and even allow you to share it with friends or family. This app could revolutionize how we interact with our environment, making it possible to capture the essence of a moment. You could send a scent to a friend across the globe, sharing experiences in a way that words or pictures never could. While this technology is still years away from becoming a reality, Osmo is laying the foundation for this future. Their research is pioneering the path towards a new era of digital interaction, where scents are as easily shared as text messages. By creating a digital odor map of scents, they are charting unknown territories. This map could serve as a database for all known scents, allowing for endless possibilities in the way we perceive and share the world. AI is unlocking a new world of sustainable scents, from luxurious perfumes to health-promoting repellents. Which AI-driven scent would you want to try? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this journey to explore the future of AI and olfaction. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs in tech and innovation, right here on Alternative Info AI.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.